Let's see another example of recommendation system. And this example is taken from another industry leader, which is Amazon.com. So whenever you go to the website Amazon.com and try to search for an item, or if you buy an item previously, then based on your past purchasing behavior, system starts recommending various items to you. You would have seen this type of screen where uh, you will see some section like customer who bought this item also bought. This is another example of recommendation system where it says that uh, we have seen from the past with the other customers who have bought a particular item, they also bought the items which are listed in this section. That means system is tracking other customers who had bought one item, and based on after buying first item, they have bought some other items as well. Now as you also has bought that item, so after buying the first item, what all other items other customer have bought, there are strong chances that you would also buy the same items, and that's why they are being recommended to you. For an example, if you would have bought a mobile phone from Amazon.com, and similarly some other customers would have also bought same mobile phone, and then after buying the mobile phone they are buying mobile cover, then there is a strong chance that you can also repeat the similar pattern. And if you are more likely to repeat the similar pattern, then similar products are going to get recommended to you. And that's what about this section, the first section is. Now second section you see is what other items do customer buy after viewing this item. Now the first section that I have explained was whenever somebody bought one particular item, what are the other item bought by the people. Now then the second section says that you have seen one item, you have viewed one item, but you did not buy this. The other customer bought other item after viewing the first item. So this is also another kind of tracking that they continuously do, and then they try to predict the user's behavior. Then that there are many users who kind of look for first item first, and then they try to skip that item, maybe due to various reasons. Let's say you are looking at one product, and then you try to figure out the features in that product, or maybe different things from the product. But when you look at the price seems to be very expensive, so you try to buy similar item at relatively lower price with the same or similar features. So that is another pattern they have tried to pick up here, and that's why they have created the second section. Now you look at third section, and in the third section you can see it says your recently viewed items and featured recommendations. So here it may happen that you would have gone to the website, or you have visited to the website, but after visiting the website you did not buy any item, but kind of you looked at some particular item in detail. So that itself tells you that there is a need for some specific items to you. At some moment of time you came to the website, and of course that time should be very recent one. You came to the website and somehow you did not completed the complete buy journey. There may be multiple reason of not completing the journey. Maybe you would have seen the item, but after looking at the item you would like to explore something more, so you just kept it as it is. Or if you have seen one item, you like the item, but due to lack of time you were not able to finish the journey, or you were not able to complete the buying journey, and so on and so forth. So there may be multiple reasons for that, but when you visited to a specific item, that means you are showing an intent to buy that, and based on that intent they are trying to recommend again the similar product that says that you recently viewed the specific items, and that's why these item and the items related to that are the featured recommendations for you. So these are some of the recommendations tactics which are being implemented by Amazon.com. Of course, these kind of sophisticated systems are getting updated very regularly, and that's why you may see the changes in these kind of recommendation very frequently. Okay, so but this is another example of recommendation system from Amazon.com.